Hey guys, welcome again on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will review on a data SD600KO SSD. So please watch this video till end. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. Can this affordable SSD solve your storage problems without breaking the bank? A data is not the first name that comes to people's minds when considering an SSD, but the Taiwan's company has quite a wide range spanning the SATA, PCIe and external categories. The product that we have for review today is an entry-level portable SSD, the Data SD 600KO. This device has a few interesting features and an unusual design. Most importantly, it's one of the most affordable models available right now, with the 240 GB version selling for around 6,600 online cloud. This be the device that finally tempts people to ditch spinning hard drive. We are going to find out a data SSD 600KO SSD design and features. Most portable SSD try to be slim and stylish with discrete design that are meant to highlight how small and portable they are. Data has gone completely in the opposite direction with the fairly bulky square body. The device is available in blue, red, or black. It has been designed to look thought with fake plastic rivets and a wrap-around design that somewhat mimics the rubber external sheath on some of a data. On a redesigned external hard drives, the plastic body of our review unit did not feel very high quality thanks to some rough and uneven finishing around the edges. The body also flexed a bit, and it was clear that the thought-looking touches are purely cosmetic. However, data does say that the SD600KO is enhanced in silicon to absorb shocks. It's rated to survive falls from 1.22 m and meets the MIL STD 810G standard for thoughtness. We quite like the geometric pattern on the top and bottom of this portable SSD, but we were unimpressed with its contribution quality. We are also not sure that a data has gone in the right direction people, because this device is not exactly pocketable. It measures 80 mm square and is 15.2 mm thick, and that is even before factoring in the cable that you will need to carry with you. Speaking of cables, Adata has for some reason gone with an old-fashioned micro USB 3.0 port and cable like you would usually see on external hard drives. Nearly all other brands have defaulted to the USB Type-C connector, which just makes sense, and we did not know why Adata choose otherwise for this model. Needless to say, you will have to check the orientation of the cable each time you want to plug it in the SSD. You do get a cable in the box, and you will be able to reuse the cables from your hard drives, but this feels like a step backwards. Data SD 600 KO specifications and performance. You can buy the data SD 600 KO in capacities of 240 GB, 480 GB, and 960 GB. The company does say that has used 3D NAND flash and that you can expect speeds of up to 440 MB.